Hi, I'm author Charles A. Wells. I've spent the last 20 years exploring and writing guidebooks about four-wheel drive trails. People like my books because they are accurate and easy to use. I've insisted that our new app work the same way. As you watch this video, you be the judge. The app works pretty well on its own, but along with the guidebook, it's amazing. Likely, you've already got a book. If not, they're available on our website and many other places. To all our Android customers out there, we're working hard to get you an app as soon as possible. In the meantime, check out our GPS data cards that do much the same thing. If you've never heard of FunTreks, I invite you to look at our products and give us a call. We'll show you places you could never imagine.